So, I went on a run this morning because I've been congested. I'm just getting over a cold or a sickness of some sort from last week, and I've been congested for the longest time. So I went for a run thinking maybe this will do better for me than just doing downward dogs and yoga, where all the congestion, all the sinuses, and all like the phlegm just comes up over here and I can't breathe. Maybe running will be a good, and it'll clear out my sinuses. It did while I was running, but now I'm back to the congestion. And I put myself through all that torture. I haven't gone running in like 3 months, 4 months, and my practice has just been off. I put myself through all that torture and I still feel the same way. But anyway, welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today I'll just show you the meals that I eat, and I'm trying to get back into cooking and making and like just experimenting with more recipes and stuff, because I've been very like creature of habit, and I have this amazing kitchen. I have all these ingredients at hand. I have all these cookbooks, all these recipe books, and I haven't made any recipes from them. So I'm trying to be a little bit more creative. Today I'm just going to be doing a bunch of work and trying out new recipes, and then I'll be sharing with you what I eat in a day. For breakfast, I want to make this fruit parfait bowl. I've been craving yogurt, like a Greek yogurt. Before I went vegan, I loved Greek yogurt. And now it's kind of hard to find because all the yogurts that are plant-based are kind of a little bit softer. They have like that creamy taste, and I really like that tartness of Greek yogurt. So the other day I was at the grocery store and I saw that Chobani has a new yogurt, and it didn't say Greek style or anything, it just says chobani, and it's dairy free, coconut based. So I bought a couple and I'm going to try them out. So I'm going to make a fruit parfait, and we'll see how it goes. I hope it goes really well because I'm really excited. Alright, so I have this yogurt bowl. I just topped it with some granola, almonds, pumpkin seeds, some frozen fruit, because honestly, like, fresh berries don't last in my house. I wanted to put strawberries in here, but then I ate them all last night, so then, good going, Amanda. And then I topped it with some chocolate syrup that I had, as well as some more hemp seeds. And on the side, I have some mushroom coffee from Four Sigmatic. It is a lion's mane with chaga. I've been drinking a lot of chaga, and it's really helped with my immunity, so I decided to just continue on with this. And I love drinking coffee with my sweet breakfasts because coffee and sweet just go together so well. And then I have an orange just in case I want to eat more fruit, because fruit. Look at this bowl. This bowl looks so good. I'm so ready to eat it. Okay, ready, set. There's so much going on already. I feel like it just does Chobani a disservice to trying their new yogurt because I already put so much in the bowl. Okay, I'm just gonna try this little bit here that's like not tampered with all of my little toppings. Okay. So it's not quite Greek yogurt. It's actually not Greek yogurt at all. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. So if you're trying out Chobani yogurt for the Greek yogurt, don't try it because it doesn't taste like Greek yogurt. It honestly just tastes like a regular yogurt. I'm pleased with the way that it tastes. It tastes good, but I am displeased with the fact that I wanted Greek yogurt and then it wasn't Greek yogurt. But you know, it didn't say Greek style on it, so shame on me, but I'll still eat it. So I'm gonna dig into this bowl of antioxidants, healthy satiating fats, omega-3 fats, fiber with the seeds and the granola, whole grains with the granola, and all types of vitamins and minerals like magnesium, zinc that are so good for you that are in pumpkin seeds. And I'll talk to you guys later. Honestly, oranges are not my favorite fruit. I don't really eat oranges very often, but we do have a big bag of oranges downstairs in the kitchen, and when I was younger, whenever any of us got sick, my parents would always say like, eat oranges, eat oranges. And I feel like just that mental note of eating more vitamin C helps with immunity so well. And as I'm eating this, I'm thinking, I really feel bad for the people who don't eat fruit. Fruit is so good. If you don't eat fruit because you just don't like it, first of all, who are you? But for the people who don't eat fruit because of their diet, it's like, man, you're following a diet that's telling you to eat, like, avoid something that's literally been made for human beings to eat, for any animal that passes near it to eat. Fruit is so good. And it's like nature's candy, but also nature's medicine. Not to say that you should make your entire diet based off of fruit, but you should definitely be eating fruit. I should be eating more fruit. I can't even breathe through my nose. One thing about eating right now, as I'm all congested, is that it's just not as fun while I'm eating because I can't breathe while I'm chewing. So I'm like, and I can't breathe, so I have to like hold my breath whenever I'm chewing. It's not fun. Alright, it is lunchtime and I have this fun, amazing green meal. It's very green. This is the prettiest meal I've made in a couple days. Cranberry chickpea walnut salad that I made yesterday. This honestly reminds me of my childhood. I feel like everything has been reminding me of my childhood today. Like the oranges and the yogurt. I've just been very like nostalgic, but it reminds me of my childhood because my mom used to buy this Sonoma chicken salad from Costco years ago, and I would eat it with lettuce wraps. And when I discovered this recipe, I went crazy. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe that I'm eating this again. It used to be my favorite thing ever. This time I have some arugula or rocket, as you UKers or basically just everywhere other than the United States would say arugula, rocket, and then romaine lettuce leaves right here. A big scoop, like a big helping of this salad, and honestly a little bit goes a long way. The taste is so strong, so it definitely needs some leaves, some crisp to even it out, and then I have some celery stalks over here. What you guys didn't see was I also munched on some carrots and hummus when I was making this, and then I have this little green juice here. It's just a scoop of the green juice from Organifi. I talked about it a couple videos ago, but you know. What I like to do is just take the lettuce, just make little wraps with it. Like I said, a little goes a long way, so definitely just gonna put this arugula in here just to make it like a super wrappy taco type of thing, and go ahead and eat it. This just has like a nice sweet, crunchy, salty, savory. Do you want to know something very coincidental and kind of creepy? Is that, remember how I was talking about craving yogurt and wanting yogurt and like plant-based yogurts? Well, I just got this package right now from Follow Your Heart, and they sent new dairy-free yogurts, all different flavors, which is super, super awesome. So they have like, oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. Pina colada. Pina colada flavor, key lime pie, they have peach. Can't wait to try it. Shout out Follow Your Heart. Also, I'm leaving right now to go get my eyelashes done, and I have my kombucha with me that I had to label, Amanda, because people at the house end up eating things if it's not labeled. So bring this with me, gonna get my eyelashes done, so I'll see you after. So for dinner, I decided to try out a bunch of different recipes. I actually made all these recipes from the vegan keto book. I made a tamari chili tofu, and then a pad thai, which is supposed to be keto, but I ran out of kelp noodles, so then I just used regular udon noodles. I'm not trying to go keto, but I have all these recipe books, like I said earlier, so I thought, might as well just make some recipes from them. So it turned out really, really well, no matter what kind of noodles I decided to use. And then I made this broccoli bites, which were super, super good. All of these recipes, again, are in her recipe book, so check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. And then I also enjoyed it with a glass of wine, and I hung out with my sister-in-law. We talked while we ate the food. I also ate my food with some greens, and I definitely went back for more. Like, I had a couple plates. And then after dinner, I had a bunch of kettle corn that I didn't film, but I was just like eating a bunch of it. And then we shared some mochi that I got from Trader Joe's. The mochi at Trader Joe's, I think most of them are vegan, so I got the green tea flavor and the mango flavor. The green tea is the best one. If you have a Trader Joe's around you and you haven't tried their mochi, I highly, highly recommend green tea or the Thai tea. Alright guys, so that concludes the end of the video and the what I eat in a day. It is time for me to pass the F out. I almost went to sleep without making this outro, but I decided, you know what? I'm gonna finish this video now. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning, noon, day, or night, wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Word on the street, I'm a suspect.